Good morning, grade ones. Today we're going to work on I can draw charts to solve word problems. So in math, we sometimes have word problems, and we're going to work on using the strategy of drawing a chart to help us solve our word problem. So first we're going to work on the more than word problems. Okay, so more than. Bella has 5 marbles. So the first thing we're going to do is here's my chart that I've made. This is a chart, okay? And in the top left corner, I'm going to write Bella's name, Bella. Maybe I'll make it a bit bigger. Bella. And she has 5 marbles. So I'm going to use these circles to represent the 5 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's the 5 marbles. Now Cam, it says Cam has more marbles than Bella. So let's write Cam's name down here. All right, Cam. And should Cam have more marbles or fewer marbles than Bella? That's right. Cam should have more marbles. So let's take away this and see how many more marbles he should have. Cam has 2 more marbles than Bella. So what we're going to do to figure that out is first we're going to give Cam the same amount of marbles as Bella. Because they have the same amount, Cam just has more. So we'll start with the same. And now how many more does Cam have? How many more?
5.
Okay. No. Cam has 5, Bella has 5, but Cam has 2 more marbles than Bella. So how many more marbles do we have to add to Cam's row?
2.
Yeah, 2 more. 1, 2. Now it asks, how many marbles does Cam have? So now that I have my chart here, and I'm showing that Cam has 2 more than Bella, I can count how many Cam has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then I can write my answer. Cam has 7 marbles. And that's my answer. Let's try another one. Ethan has 5 toys. Okay, so we'll start by writing Ethan's name in our chart. Make it a bit bigger. And he has 5 cars. So let's give him 5 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Sam has more toy cars than Ethan. Okay, so let's write Sam's name here. We'll make it a bit bigger. And Sam has more toy cars than Ethan. So let's see how many more Sam has. He has 1 more. So let's give Sam the same amount as Ethan. And then we're going to give him 1 more. Now we can count how many Sam has because it asks, how many toy cars does Sam have? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is Sam has 6 toy cars. Wonderful. Now, some word problems are fewer than. And so let's work on how we would use our chart to show fewer than. So it starts with Jane sees 7 ravens. So first we're going to write Jane's name in the chart. Jane. And she sees 7 ravens. So let's give her 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so she has sees 7 ravens. Now, Rani sees fewer ravens than Jane. So let's write Rani's name. And Rani's going to see fewer than Jane. So we can't put the circles in yet because he's going to see fewer than Jane. So we need to wait a minute. And let's see how many fewer he sees. He sees 3 fewer. So Rani sees 3 fewer ravens than Jane. So I'm going to do an X in 3 of the boxes for Rani. Now I have some boxes left over and I put circles in those leftover boxes. I don't have to count yet because I can just see how many there are. Okay, so I have my 3 crossed out because Rani has 3 fewer or less than Jane. And how many ravens does Rani see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I can write my answer. Rani sees 4 ravens. Let's try another fewer than one. Amir sees 6 eagles. So we'll start by writing Amir's name. Amir. And he sees 6 eagles. So let's put 6 eagles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Tina sees fewer eagles than Amir. Okay, so we know that Tina is going to have less than Amir. So we're going to have to start by crossing some out. So let's see how many we need to cross out. How many do we cross out? 2. So let's cross out 2, and then we will fill in the rest with our circles. So we crossed out 2, and then we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many eagles does Tina see? Tina sees 4 eagles. Oops, I forgot me. 4 eagles. Wonderful. Oh, what did I do? I put the A in the wrong spot. Silly me. Okay. Tina sees 4 eagles. So my friends, this is how we use a chart to help us organize our thoughts when solving a word problem. Now that you have finished the video, you can go and do your assignment in D2L. You'll want to get a blank piece of paper so that you can make your own charts. Just like I've done here, you're going to make a rectangle, you put a line in the middle, and then lines to make columns, just like this. And you can do that on a blank piece of paper so that you can, oh my goodness, there we go. You can do that on a blank piece of paper so that you can have the help, the strategy to be able to solve your word problems properly. Okay? Wonderful. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.